Hey folks, it's Mike and Michelle, and we are at Bernheim. We're getting ready to do this rock run loop. I'm testing out my new GoPro 8. I've seen people use this on other vlogs, namely like I've been watching Chris and Carol on Jumping Places, and they get some great video from their GoPro 8. And Chris did a little video on what he likes about the GoPro 8. I thought about getting the GoPro 9. I decided, I checked around on the net about it, and it didn't seem like it was really worth the extra bucks. But here we go. This is one of our favorite trails at Bernheim. Creek's not really going, no flow, but we can, let's go upstream a little bit and check things out. We love doing the hikes around the creeks. Get to see a lot of cool things. A little chilly out. This is a short little loop, but if you do stuff like this, follow the creek, it'll give you a little more distance, but not too much. This will take you back up to the road. This is nice. Look how clear that water is. Got your little waterfall over there. And that's the road. There's a little birdhouse up there. See that? Mm-hmm. Here it is. I'll tell you about our morning. Ooh, it's kind of muddy. Our morning, we had plans to go on another hike. Then the time got away from us. I guess we got kicked into Filipino time. And we kind of got a late start, so we thought, well, we can go to Otter Creek, we can go to Bernheim, we can go Harrods Creek Park. And I thought, well, let's go to Bernheim, just because we can do the rock run loop, and I can play around with this camera and see how it works. It's a short loop, and here we are. Tomorrow's gonna be vastly different though, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna wake up early for an early start. There's some other folks down there, but here's the trail. We're getting way above the creek. These rocks might be slippery. Be careful. You can see on the other side of the creek, the trail heading back. There's the creek. We're looking upstream. And then on the other side of the creek over there is that is the trail. We're getting ready to get to the bend, and down here is where the trail crosses back over that creek. Yeah, Bernheim has some really cool trails. Our favorite trail out here is the Elmwick. I think what's that? 5 miles?
Right at 5 miles.
All right, this is where the trail starts heading down. Can you all see the rock faces over there on the other side? Yeah, my fingers are freezing. All right, let's head on down. Here's a shot from the creek bed down here. And this creek started up at the road, and there wasn't this much water. I see some fish down there. I'm gonna cross down here. That's a pretty shot back there. And look at all the orange leaves. Those are all beech trees. We're gonna have to make it across this, I guess. Oh, we can cross down here. Does it feel slick? Where'd you get deep? Oh, it's slick. Be careful. Here she goes. Climb over this. Let me go up here real quick and check this out. You on a limbo? There you go. Limbo. You got it. So far, what do you all think about the video? Looks pretty cool on the screen here. I'm gonna do a little jump off of here. We'll see how that turns out. This is supposed to have a really killer stabilization, this GoPro 8. And looking at some of the videos from other vlogs and even some of the tutorials really attest to how good the stabilization is. Yeah, I mean, we can walk up the stream. Just be careful because it'll be slippery. This is a really nice view. Walking up the creek definitely gives you a different perspective from walking on that trail. A little more adventurous.
Do stuff like this.
Yeah. Okay, folks, you hear all that flow. There's a lot of water flow going on here. We're gonna follow this. And I wanted y'all to check this out. Look at that. There's some water flow, but it's going somewhere. Disappeared. And then with this little channel, water's coming out right there. So it's gotten under a layer, probably coming out there too, and probably there. But look at this. Look at the creek bed. Well, here's another spot where the water's coming out. Looks like right there. Can you tell? And look at this creek bed. No water flowing, so the water's underneath us somewhere. This is so cool looking. Really dig all these creek beds that are like this. Makes me think of that one creek bed down at Big South Fork, where on the Honey Creek Loop, part of the trail was part of the creek. Okay, still no water. It's underneath us on one of these layers. I'm thinking that there's some other streams that also tie in with this creek, because where we're parked, the creek looks like this. So there's some underground streams that are tying into this one. And we're almost back to the trailhead. There's one of them little pools. No flow. I think when we get back to the car, we're gonna head up to the canopy walk. We're out here, we might as well, you know?
Yeah, we have to do that.
We've seen enough of the giants out here, which incidentally, if you haven't seen them, those are pretty cool. And you can get information on that on the Bernheim website. And no, this isn't meant to be a Bernheim commercial, but we love it out here. The Rock Run Loop. That's one of the maps. And this is the map of the trail we just did. But down here, we kind of went downstream a little bit more. And we're parked right here. Here's the canopy tree walk. And we said, since we're out here, might as well take you all along and check out the canopy walk. The canopy tree walk rises 75 feet above the forest floor. Please use caution.
You go first.
Why? You scared?
No, because you can do the not get me in it. Yeah.
It's all breezy up here. Chilly willy.
We'll just do quick. Look and go.
All right, so we're about 75 feet up. Just gotta make sure I don't drop this phone or this GoPro.
There's the trail.
Yeah.
That's a good little hike.
And over there, if you can kind of see, I think that's Jim Beam. Maybe some of the warehouses.
Mm-hmm. This is really pretty in the fall.
Yeah.
The go-to spot.
And the trail around here is the.
Shoes.
Someone lost their shoes. Yep, something. Oh, they probably did that on purpose. But I think this is the iron ore.
Yeah.
Loop, something like that.
Yep.
All right, you can kind of see. The canopy walk at Bernheim.